Traversing a string. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about traversing a string. In Python, we can go through the various characters of a string by using a for or a while loop. Let's see how to traverse a string using a for loop. The loop iterates over the values taking one at a time and then executes the body of the loop. If the last value is reached, the output will be printed. Here is a simple program to print the letters of a word. X equals to GATE, gate. For A in X, print A. Now save the program. Let's execute the program. Click the Run Module option under the Run menu in the editor window. Observe the output now. Look, the variable A iterates through different characters of the word gate, one at a time, and prints it. Let's understand this program step by step. Start by taking the string gate in X. Now, start a for loop in A. This loop control variable A iterates through different characters of the string one at a time and prints them. First run, A equals to G. Second run, A equals to A. Third run, A equals to T. Fourth run, A equals to E. Now let's write a program to count all vowels in a string. X equals to how is a string traversed in Python? V equals to A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. C equals to 0. For I in X, if I in V, C equals to C plus 1. Print the number of vowels in the string is equals to C. Let's save the program. Now let's execute the program using the Run module as done earlier. Look, the count is displayed as 9. Here, the program starts by taking the string how is a string traversed in Python in X. In V, all vowels, capital and small, are taken. C is assigned a value 0. Next, a for loop in I picks up individual characters of the string. C increases by 1 if I is in V. This continues till the end of the string. Once the whole string is covered, the output is printed. Wasn't that easy? Try writing more such Python programs in your lab sessions. Thank you.